This is our machine. We use the US dollar to pay. We set up is the $1 one ice cream. Here is the control panel. We have a choose the flavor and also the topping. Here the machine is the automatic takeout cup. The spoon in the bottom here, and also you see the dog, he will come back, and when the children put the hand in here, he will automatically down, and then this one he will go back wait the next order. And this for the TV, and but we haven't put the LED light inside. We will make it. You see the machine, the ring here. You see everything like this one. And also we will make the sticker in here, and make the ice cream is the here, because we can cover for this part. If you make the design, you need to ask your designer to make it.